Dream, what we need to talk now. We have a big problem. Ever since you took this stupid mask off, you've fallen off, you're irrelevant, you have no money, no views, you're trash. It's the truth, you've ruined us. There's nothing I can do about it. I feel it too already. Oh, they actually put the mask on. People have already seen me. I've already face reveal back. We'd go back to what, 7 months ago. Will the views come back? You think probably. Why, mean they can't get any load in their own house are going to hurt. I can't do IRL stuff, then I can't go with the M, do everything you do now with the mascot you never took good off. We'd be better. Am I that ugly? Yes, just put it music. Maybe I will. I can't even see. How am I meant to put the mask back on? I can't see through it. I can't even see. I can't see. How am I supposed to put? I can't see. I need wait. So when I got the call from Dream and he told me a little bit about what he had in mind, I didn't know if it was going to be the best job or the worst job of my entire career. I mean, we worked on some complicated projects before: Spider-Man, Batman, Black Panther, Death Punk. I mean, if you've ever seen his face, you know why Dream needs the mask. He needs all the help he can get. If I'm being honest, it took some late nights and a few different prototypes, but we got it down just right eventually. So we started off by doing some 3D head scans of Dream to map out the exact size and shape of his head. Once we had that base form, our crew could get to work on the design and engineering of the mask. So the mask is 3D printed actually from laser fused nylon powder. It's hand painted and hand reinforced for the ideal balance of durability to weight. It takes a long time because everything, I mean the fit, the balance, every millimeter of that mask, it's got to be spot on for it to work. We think it's awesome have mask turned out, and it's been a real treat working with Dream to help make this a reality. Music, that Dream music. Dream go, oh so much money we going to be back. Wait, let's bring back Manhunt. Let's bring back Man. Applause. Hunt, never take it off. What if we are taking a video and you're in the background with stupid? Everything would be for nothing. No, we're going to delete them all. If someone posts a new one, sue them. Everyone's going to like you again. Manhunt views, we are going to be back. 100 million views of video, we are back. What if I meet someone I want? What if you meet someone, a girl you're not meeting any girls, and even if you did, it stays on all times, baby, all the time, never comes off. Okay, so even if I want to go to, let's say, go eat, we go McDonald's, I don't think you can shovel that food underneath. No more face, only mask. Okay, well, I'm hungry, I want to go to McDonald's. Yeah, of course, you whatever, let's go. Hi, welcome. Total, will you be using the mobile app today? No. Music, English, auto-generated, all from Dream related for you, recently uploaded.